Did you know your mind has the power to shape your reality? But what happens when it works against you instead of for you? The mind influences our emotions, behaviors, and decisions. Overthinking can trap you, while self-doubt can hold you back. Think about how positive thinking and self-compassion can help you rise. Mindfulness techniques can keep you grounded. On the flip side, negative thought patterns and limiting beliefs can act like a chain, holding us back from our true potential. Train your mind to be a positive ally. Start practicing gratitude every day and identify toxic thoughts. Cultivate self-awareness to understand your thought patterns better. Recognizing them is the first step to change. Take control of your mental narrative. You have the power to rewrite your story. Remember, your mind can be your greatest ally. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel and share this video to help others in their mental health journey.